Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a DShop with Price Protector auto lister, and this specific video will show you how to use the bulk lister on the auto lister. So first of all, my name is Carmel. I'm from Israel and I'm a top rated seller on eBay, and I've been using this DShop with Price Protector for a year now and I'm really pleased with it. And I'm going to show you how to use an auto lister. It will take you less than a minute to list a few items at once on your eBay account. Of course, first of all, you have to check that you have high selling limits, that your limits allow listing these many items, and you can list as many as you want. You can list 2 at once, you can list 50 at once, you can list 100 at once, but again, it's only recommended if you have high selling limits on eBay. So check your limits first. Okay, we click on the auto lister. We go to, if we scroll down here, we go to bulk lister. Okay, and now we need to put in the ASINs. We're making sort of a string. Okay, we go to Amazon. Let's say I'm drop shipping from Amazon. So if it's Amazon, I'm going to need the ASIN number. So let's go to Amazon. I'll just, I'll pick some items here to sell. Doesn't matter which ones. It's just for the example. Let's say it's this one. I'll pick like 2 items just to show you that I can list them at once. So I copy the AC number. Okay. Let's pick 2 more items. Let's say this one. I click here on the little envelope and I can copy the specific AC number of this variation. Okay, and let's pick another one. Let's say this one. I click on the little envelope and I copy the AC number, paste it in here, and now I need to make a string. Okay, so the first part of the string, and I'm going to be using semicolons between each part of the string. So the first part is the AC number, and then I put in a semicolon. Then I list the title. If I want to put something in the title, I'll put it in here, but I'm just going to keep the title the same way. So another semicolon if I'm not changing the title. The third one is the category, but again, I'm gonna leave it to the out lister to pick its own category. It'll give me the best one possible, but if you know what category you want to add, you can pick your own category and just put the number of the category here. Okay, but let's say I'm using the same category as the auto lister will pick automatically, so I'm putting another semicolon here. The next one is the profit, so I'll put in, let's say, $7 for the profit and another semicolon. And now the quantity, let's say I want to put in 2. So again, I put in the AC number. The second one is the title, an AC number, then a semicolon, then the title, another semicolon, a category, another semicolon, the profit, a semicolon, and the quantity. Okay, and let's say for this particular example, I'll be using the same one just to show you how fast it is. So I just pasted it again. I can change the profit from dollars to percentages. I can add in the watermark images, select my template if I prepared it before. I can add words before the title or after the title. And all I have to do now is click on submit. Okay. Press on bulk import, then OK, and another OK, and the string will start running and listing my items on eBay. So now we're waiting for it to list. And that's it. The first item is already listed. I can click on it here. Okay, I have the title. If I added in anything after the title before, it will show up also. You have the price, the quantity, All the item specifics are already in. You see the UPC, which is really important. And according to eBay February 2016 updates. So we also have the UPC already implemented in it. We have item specifics. We have all the description. If you click here, you see the shipping and payments policies. So everything is already in on all the pictures. So if you're still not using eBay dropshipping tool, the DropShipping price protector, I highly recommend start using it. You see how easy it is. If I go back and scroll down, I can see it's already listed the 2 other items. I can also click on the photo if I want to enlarge it. Let's click here and see this was also successful. I already have 4 page views, which is amazing. Okay, and that's it. That's how you bulk list on DropShipping price protector. See you in the next video.